What is NetBIOS and NetBEUI? NetBIOS is a programming interface that allows I/O requests to be sent to and received from a remote computer, and it hides the networking hardware from applications. NetBEUI is NetBIOS Extended User Interface, a transport protocol designed by Microsoft and IBM for the use on small subnets. It lets computers communicate within a local area network. NetBEUI, pronounced as NetBOEE, formalizes the frame format or arrangement of information in a data transmission that was not specified as part of NetBIOS. It is used to establish a session between a client and a server, and also to provide the reliable transport of the data across the connection-oriented session. Thus, NetBEUI tries to provide reliable data transfer through error check and acknowledgement of each successfully received data packet. What is RAID? A method for providing fault tolerance by using multiple hard disk drives. That is, RAID, redundant array of independent disks, is a way of storing the same data in different places on multiple hard disks or solid state drives to protect data in case of a drive failure. What is passive topology? When the computers on the network simply listen and receive the signal, they are referred to as passive because they don't amplify the signal in any way. Example for passive topology is linear bus. What is Bruter? Bruter is the device which is used as both a bridge and a router. It is combination of network bridge and a router. Bruter routes some different protocols or IP and also connect them together in the form of bridge. In short, it is used as LAN and internet source at the same time. Using Bruter, we can share files to other computers connected on same Bruter. What is cladding? A non-transparent layer of plastic or glass material inside fiber optic cable that surrounds the inner core of glass or plastic fibers. Cladding provides rigidity, strength, and manageable outer diameter for fiber optic cables. It comes under category of computer networking. What is point-to-point protocol? A communications protocol used to connect computers to remote networking services, including internet service providers. Point-to-point protocol comes under data link layer that is used to transmit multi-protocol data between two directly connected computers. It is a byte-oriented protocol that is widely used in broadband communications, having heavy loads with high speeds. Since it is a data link layer protocol, data transmitted in frames. It is also known as RFC 1661. How gateway is different from routers. A gateway operates at the upper levels of the OSI model and translates information between two completely different network architectures or data formats. A router is a device that is capable of sending and receiving data packets between computer networks, also creating an overlay network. A gateway, on the other hand, joins dissimilar systems. Gateway, it is defined as a network entity that allows a network to interface with another network with different protocols. What is attenuation? The degeneration of a signal over distance on a network cable is called attenuation. So attenuation is the loss of signal strength in networking cables or connections. This typically is measured in decibels, dB, or voltage and can occur due to a variety of factors. It may cause signals to become distorted or indiscernible. The causes of this attenuation are noise, extra noise on networks like radio frequencies, electrical currents, and wire leakage may interfere with the signal and cause attenuation. The second cause is the physical surroundings. Physical surroundings like temperature, wall barriers, and improper wire installation may distort the transmission. The third cause is the distance. What is MAC address? The address for a device as it is identified at the media access control layer in the network architecture. The MAC address is usually stored in ROM on the network adapter card and is unique. A media access control address is a hardware identified uniquely for each device on a network. Primarily, the manufacturer assigns it. They're often found on a device network interface card and referred to as burned in address, Ethernet hardware address, or physical address. Meanwhile, the ISP internet service provider or network administrator assigns an internet protocol address, IP address. Associated with the TCP IP protocol, an IP address helps identify a device connected to a network. What is the difference between bitrate and baud rate? Bitrate is the number of bits transmitted during 1 second, whereas baud rate refers to the number of signal units per second that are referred or required to represent those bits. Baud rate is given as bit rate by n, where n is number of bits represented by each signal shift.